Welcome to the GE Video Academy. This video will demonstrate how to reprogram a WiYZ remote using the WiYZ Gateway's web interface. Open up a web browser and log into the WiYZ Gateway. Once the overview page loads, use the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the web page and click on the arrow next to Mesh Network, then click on Device Firmware. The first table shown displays the remotes that are fully associated to the gateway and are candidates for firmware reprogramming. If an expected remote to reprogram is missing from this table, check under the Status page on the left-hand side navigation bar to see if the remote is fully associated to the gateway. This table displays each remote's configured name, if applicable, the EUY64 value, and the active and inactive firmware versions on each remote. To upgrade a single remote, either click on the remote desired and then press the Upgrade Selected Devices button, or click the small pencil icon on the far right side. To upgrade multiple remotes at the same time, hold down the Control key on the keyboard while clicking each additional remote with the mouse. Once the desired amount of remotes are selected, click on the Upgrade Selected Devices button. The pop-up that appears will inquire which firmware version to download to each remote, either from the active gateway image or the inactive gateway image. Once the version is selected, press Yes. You will notice that the selected remotes have moved into the lower table. This will display the reprogramming status of each remote during the upgrade process. The gateway can reprogram up to 5 remotes simultaneously. All other remotes that need to be upgraded will be queued up and begin reprogramming once another remote has finished. The reprogramming session will take some time to finish. The overall time it takes for all remotes to reprogram depends on the amount of remotes in the system and the signal quality the remotes have to the gateway. Check the reprogramming status occasionally to view the state of the firmware upgrade. At some point in time, all remotes will have reprogrammed. The newly downloaded firmware has been installed into the inactive image. To reboot the remotes to the new firmware, select the units in the second table, and then click on Remove Selected Progress Entries. Select which remotes you wish to reboot to the inactive firmware, and then click on the Reboot Selected Devices button. On the pop-up, choose the inactive image, and then press OK. The command to reboot has been sent to the remotes. Once again, the selected units will move into the second table. This will take some time for the remotes to reboot. To check on the remotes, click on the status link in the navigation bar on the left.